Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's an absolute pleasure to have you all tuning in for yet another exciting episode of our journey together. Our mission, as always, is to equip you with the knowledge and strategies needed to not just succeed, but thrive in the online marketplace, all while keeping you initial investment at a grand total of $0. Before we jump into all the exciting business strategies, let us talk about something really crucial: your logo. It is essentially the face of your brand, so getting it right is super important. Luckily, I've got an amazing tool that's going to make creating your logo a total breeze. Take a little detour to Leonardo AI when you have a moment. This fantastic tool uses the magic of artificial intelligence to cook up logos in record time. Seriously, it is like having a logo wizard at your service. All you need to do is give it a little nudge with a prompt and let the AI take it from there. Before you know it, you will have a brand new logo, fresh out of the digital oven in just a matter of minutes. To ensure you get the most out of this tool, there is a comprehensive video tutorial available. I highly recommend watching this video as it provides step-by-step guidance on fashioning a logo in just under a minute. I have included the link below for your convenience, making it super easy for you to access the video and start streamlining your logo creation process. Okay, well guys, let us talk about some popular platforms that can be your best pals on this print-on-demand adventure. You've got Etsy, Canva, and Printful in your corner, and they can really make your life easier. But hey, a little heads up, Etsy isn't entirely free to use, so keep an eye on those fees. Now, here's something special. If you're interested in going the extra mile with Etsy and want to dive deep into the world of print-on-demand there, just drop me a note in the comments. I'm all ears and ready to whip up an in-depth course just for you. Let me know what you want to learn and we will make it happen. So, you have done the hard work of setting up your print-on-demand store. But here comes the big question. How do you get those all-important sales rolling in? Well, one smart strategy is to tap into the mighty potential of Pinterest. Now, what is Pinterest, you ask? It is kind of like a magical visual search engine where people are actively hunting for inspiration and cool products. Here is the kicker. You can whip up what they call idea pins on Pinterest and, even better, attach direct links that lead straight to your shop. Imagine it is like this. It is a bit like leaving breadcrumbs for hungry customers to find their way to your store. So, if you're eager to boost those sales, Pinterest could be your secret sauce. Give it a shot and watch your print-on-demand business blossom. Here's how it is done. Assuming you have a business account, it is free. Click the plus button and choose Idea Pin. Add your chosen image, and in the title, incorporate relevant keywords. In the notes section, craft a captivating caption, perhaps something like, "Shop with us now." Don't forget to insert your shop link and related keywords. Once you are satisfied, click Done and then Publish. While Pinterest is fantastic for static images, don't underestimate the power of videos. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube can be incredible marketing tools. Videos not only showcase your products but also build trust with potential customers. If you have the budget for it, consider ordering samples of your products to create high-quality videos. If that is not feasible, you can still use renderings and free PNG images provided by Printful. So, there you have it. Now, you have the basic knowledge on how to market your print-on-demand store on various platforms. My goal is to help you succeed in the world of e-commerce without breaking the bank. If you are eager to explore more opportunities to make money online, head over to my YouTube channel. I have put together a handy playlist just for you, making it super easy to find the content you are interested in. And hey, a small favor to ask, show some love by hitting that like button and hitting subscribe. This way, you will never miss out on any of the awesome free content. I hope you found this extended course helpful and insightful. With these tips and strategies, you are well on your way to building a successful print-on-demand business. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you in our next video.